Welcome to this lesson. Now it's time for us to learn about chain of thought or CoT prompting. Now this amazing technique helps AI models tackle complex reasoning tasks step by step, just like we do when solving tough problems. Let's get started with some exciting examples and see how CoT prompting works. First thing first, solving complex problems often requires a systematic approach. We break down the problem into smaller, manageable steps and tackle each one methodically. CoT prompting enables AI models to do the same, guiding them through intermediate steps to reach the correct answers. This technique is especially useful for tasks that require deep reasoning and understanding. Let's learn how CoT prompting works with some thrilling examples in arithmetic reasoning and common sense reasoning. Arithmetic reasoning involves solving mathematical word problems by extracting information, creating expressions, and solving them step by step. Let's see how CoT or chain of thought prompting can help. Let's look at this prompt. There are 3 teachers in a school. Each teacher has a class of 5 students. There are also 2 janitors and 1 principal. How many people are in the school? And over here, I'm asking the AI model to think step by step. Now, it gives me an output and determines the total number of people in the school. And it says we can break it down step by step. So over here, teachers, there are 3 teachers. Students, each teacher has a class of 5 students. So the total number of students is 3 teachers into 5 students per teacher is equals to 15 students. Janitors, there are 2 janitors. Principal, there is 1 principal. Now, if we sum up all the people in the school, there are total 21 people. So the model gets it right by thinking step by step through the prompt and gives us a correct output. Now let's ask the AI model a little bit more complex question. Over here, I'm trying to build the chain of thought process with the AI model. Now this part of the prompt is already sorted. But now I'm asking, in a hospital, there are 4 doctors. Each doctor has 2 nurses assisting them. Additionally, there are 3 receptionists and 1 administrator. How many people are in the hospital? Now, by providing the correct example along with the output, the model learns to break down the problem and arrives at a correct answer, which is 16. Of course, you can do the math on your notebook and match your answer with the AI model. CoT prompting is also great for tasks requiring common sense reasoning, like understanding human interactions and everyday knowledge. Now let's look at this prompt. Jessica wants to study in a quiet place. Where might she go? Options: A. Concert hall, B. Library, C. Amusement park, D. Shopping mall. The answer to this question is B. Libraries are typically quiet places where people go to read and study. Next, I'm following the CoT approach and I've asked the AI model another question. Mark wants to buy fresh vegetables. Where might he go? Options: A. Beach, B. Forest, C. Grocery store, D. Movie theater. And I leave it to the AI model to give me the correct answer. The answer to this question is C. Grocery store. Grocery stores typically sell fresh vegetables and other food items. So by guiding the model to consider the options and think logically, we can get accurate answers for common sense questions. So in this video, we have learned that chain of thought prompting is a powerful technique that helps AI models tackle complex reasoning tasks by breaking them down into manageable steps. It is perfect for arithmetic and common sense reasoning, making AI smarter and more reliable. So that's it for this lesson. I hope this video made sense. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and of course, keep practicing.